A single sneeze can rocket droplets at speeds up to 100 miles per hour, launching thousands of tiny particles into the air. Imagine the sheer force as each droplet becomes a high-speed projectile, potentially carrying germs that can hang around for hours. This biological explosion isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a powerful demonstration of how our bodies can spread illness so efficiently. Next time you're about to sneeze, think about the microscopic hurricane you're about to unleash, sending invisible invaders racing through the air, ready to land on the next unsuspecting surface or person. Fascinating, right?